Digital SA Foundation. Siyathemba nizolijabulela lolu hlelo.
Sanibonani bafundi ba grade 12. Ngiyanibingelela ukhulumayo Mr. WS Zondi. Okuyena onsizayo ezifundweni ze-mathematics. Siyabonga kakhulu ithuba ku Digital nakwithala ukusinikeza ithuba elifana naleli lokuthi nisizakale ezifundweni zenu. Bafundi ba grade 12 sikhumbuzane. Emavikini adlule siqale itopic yethu ye statistics. Kwase kwathi last week besikhuluma kakhulu nge5 number summary kanye ne-variance and standard deviation. Namhlanje kakhulukazi bafundi ba grade 12 sizokhuluma indaba ye-b-varied data bese sibuka i-example ye-b-varied data okuyiyona examinable la khona sikhuluma khona nge-scatter plots. Mhlambe ke bafundi ba grade 12 singathi ukuhlehla kancane sikhumbuzana ukuthi sithe emavikini adlule sikhuluma nge-univariate data ila khona sasikhuluma nge-variable eyodwa khona la khona sasithi uma mhlambe ukhuluma ngama-mathematics scores noma ukhuluma mhlambe ngelokhuzana nge-race yabantu ukuthi abantu abangaka bakhava ama-kilometers amangakanani. That is univariate data as comparison lutho sibuka nje i-variable eyodwa. So namhlanje sibuka i-example esizothi i-scatter plot ekuyi-example ye-b-varied data. Yini ke i-b-varied data? Igama liyazisho ke b-varied data. B-varied data. Masikhuluma nge-b-varied data ila khona esikhuluma khona ngama-variables awu-2. Two variables. Ama-variables uma ewu-2 kubafundi ba grade 12 bayazi ukuthi mathematically njalo masikhuluma ngama-variables awu-2 sesizokhuluma ngama-variable esizothi ama-dependent bese sikhuluma ngama-variables esiwabiza ngokuthi ama-independent. So la khona sikhuluma nge-value u-dependent wethu esizothi u-y bese sizothi u-independent wethu sithi ama-x-axis. So meaning uma sidweba i-Cartesian plane yethu siyazi ukuthi ama-independent variables ethu ama-x values kanti bese ama-x-axis bese kuthi ama-dependent ama-y values ngoba ncike kuma-x values. So uma sikhuluma ke nge-b-varied data ila khona sizobe sibheka ukuthi kuma-variables la sesikhuluma ngawo ubani o-dependent ubani onjani na o-independent. Mhlambe masingenza i-example sikhulume mhlambe asike sikhulume nje nge-example yokuthi nge-grade of a learner and age. La sibheka ukuthi kwi-grade of a learner ne-age of a learner ubani oyi-dependent ubani oyini na oyi-independent. So siyabuka la ukuthi umfundi uma mhlambe senza isibonelo uma umfundi eneminyaka ewu-15 lo mfundi ngokwelokhuzana ngokweminyaka yakhe kufanele abe esefunda u-grade 10. Ngenza isibonelo nje sifana naleso. In other words noma mhlambe nje sibuke bold ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi uma sibheka ama-variables ethu isikhathi siyohlala njalo siyi-independent variable bese kuzothi lokho okunye osuke ukukhuluma ngakho i-variable yesibili izobe isiyini na isi-dependent variable. So in other words kule example engikhuluma ngayo la ye-age of a learner ne-grade of a learner we can say i-age of a learner is independent bese sizothi i-grade of Helena yona iyini ke i-dependent. In other words siqonda ukuthi la awukwazi ukuthi ube neminyaka ewu2 ufunde ugrade 10. Kufanele i-age kufanele ne-grade kufanele kwenze njani kubalance. Kusho ukuthi i-age edetermine ukuthi umfundi kufanele usekuliphi izinga lemfundo. Uma sizothi umfundi ofunda ugrade 12 ufanele abe no-18 mhlambe kuyaphezulu, this is 18 years kuyaphezulu. Kusho ukuthi i-age ayidependile kwi-grade kodwa i-grade encike kwini na kwi-age of a person. Mhlambe we can look at mhlambe enye into, another example we can talk about i-shoe size. A shoe size si comparison nani shoe size yethu asike si comparison ne-age futhi age ukuthi ne between i-shoe size ne-age ubani oyi-dependent ubani oyi-independent. Right, i-age bese sishilo ukuthi i-age will always be an independent. Bese kuzothi i-shoe size, i-shoe size bese iba yini yona, iba i-dependent. Kusho sene ngaso sonke isikhathi usize wesicathulo somuntu udependele ekuthenini lo muntu oneminyaka emingaki. Kuyenzeka ke mhlambe ke kwesinye isikhathi ke kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu uthola ukuthi mncane ngokweminyaka kodwa ugqoka usize omkhulu okuyinto engavamisile ke kodwa leyo. Kodwa nje in normal basis siyazi ukuthi mhlambe a person who is mhlambe singathi ona iminyaka ewu15 lo muntu ufuna agqoke at least usize 4 noma size 5 going up. This is ilokhuzana, especially if you are a male. Mhlambe uma ufunda ugrade 11 fanele usugqoka o size 7 kanje. This is ilokhuzana. We are checking ukuthi ubani oyi-dependent ubani na oyini oyi-independent. So maningi ke ama examples. Kusho ukuthi la kahle bafunde ba grade 12 sibheka le ndaba yokuthi la uma sikhuluma nge-age of a person ne-size or ne-shoe size of a person, la isla sibona khona ukuthi la kahle sikhuluma nge-bivariate, sikhuluma nge-bivariate data ngoba sikhuluma ngama-variables amangaki na awu2. Right, so we are saying an example of a bivariate data esizokhuluma ngayo will be inina i-scatter plots. Scatter plots siyini i-example is an example of a bivariate data. That is ilokhuzana i-scatter plot sethu. Kusho ukuthi la ka grade 12 esibukayo kakhulu sibuka i-scatter plot esithi example yani na ye bivariate data. Right, now yini ke ekufanele ilindelekile ke ngawe ke kwilokhuzana masizokhuluma nge-bivariate data nge-scatter plot. One, kufanele la sikhulume nge-relationship eyenzakalayo kulama variables awu2 esikhulume ngawo. Ukuthi ngasonke isikhathi uma sikhuluma nge-dependent ne-independent variable kukhona i-relationship abasuke beyiveza. Lokho kubona kakhulu bafunde ba grade 12 uma mhlawumbe ungakhuluma nge-straight line graph. I-straight line graph kuyenzeka ilokhuzana i-gradient yakhona ibe positive noma i-gradient yakhona ibe njani ibe negative. This is a relationship eyenzakalayo. Noma kuyenzeka kwi-graph nje an ordinary graph la khona mhlawumbe ama-x-axis increase nama-y values increase at the same time. This is a relationship. Kuyenzeka futhi ama-x-axis decrease, ama-y nawo futhi enze njani na decrease. That is a relationship. Kuyenzeka futhi lo munye decrease lo munye be-increase. Kusho ukuthi ama-x values aya-increase kodwa ama-y values enze njani na aya-decrease. This is a relationship. Kusho ukuthi before sikhulume ngaso i-scatter plot asike siqale sibheke indaba ye-relationship. Yani ke le relationship esikhuluma ngayo i relationship between what? Between the dependent variables nani na ne-independent variables. Now sengishilo ukuthi uma ke silokhuzana i-relationship yethu siyibuka kanjani, ungayibuka nje ngokuthi ama-x values are increasing nama-y values are increasing. Noma ungayibuka futhi ngokuthi ama-x values are decreasing nama-y values are decreasing, noma ungayibuka futhi ngeso lokuthi mhlawumbe ama-x values aya increase kodwa ama-y values enze njani na aya decrease. That is a relationship. Now uma ke i-scatter plot ke siplothiwe ke siyakwazi ukuthi sisikhombise i-trend yani na i-trend yama point akho asuke ekuyilokhuzana ekwi-scatter plot. I-trend yethu ke ingaba positive, i-trend yethu a positive trend noma ingaba ibe negative. Mhlawumbe ngeke ngibhale phansi ngibuka i-trend la, i-trend of i-data, i-trend ngizoyibukela nje lokhu. Uma uyibuka le trend le it's negative, it's a negative trend, noma this one is a positive trend. Now uyabuka la ukuthi le kahle kahle gradient ya la u-m wethu less than 0 kusho ukuthi gradient yethu njani na i-negative. Kusho ukuthi if i-gradient i-negative kusho ukuthi ungayenza i-conclusion yokuthi i-trend yakho i-trend of i-data yakho is what is negative. Uma i-gradient yakho i-positive kusho ukuthi u-m la we can say u-m unjani na greater than 0. Kusho ukuthi here we having a positive trend kule yesibili. Now okokuqala lokho. Kwesibili, now i-trend ikhuluma ngezinto eyodwa okwamanje ngisakhulume ngayo. I'm talking about i-direction la, i-direction. Kusho ukuthi i-direction yethu ingaba positive noma ingaba njani, ingaba negative. That is a trend of i-data. Now bese ngiyayibheka ke ukuthi ngabe i-data yami i-clustered kangakanani, ngabe i-data yami i-closely packed noma i-data yami i-widely packed noma i-evenly packed. Ngeke ngiphinde lento engisho. Sengibuka i-data ke manje, sengikhulumile nge-direction. Ngithe i-direction ingaba positive noma ibe negative. Ukuthola ukuthi i-positive noma i-negative it's a matter ukuthi wazi ukuthi uline wakho we-gradient e-positive no-line we-gradient e-negative umi kanjani. Sengikhuluma ngokuthi ke manje ke i-data yakho i-dispersed kangakanani. Mangikhuluma nge-dispersion of data ngiqonde ukuqhelelana kwe-data, ngabe iqhelelene kakhulu noma ngabe ihlangene kakhulu noma nje ikahle i-moderate, which means uma sengizokhuluma ngingakhuluma ngezinto eziwu-2 la. Ngikhuluma ngokuthi ingaba strong ngokuqala lokho. Okwesibili ngingakhuluma ngithi i-moderate. Okwesithathu ngingathi injani, i-weak. Bese egcineni ngizothi 0. Right. Uma uyibuka kwi-scatter plot sakho, nasi scatter plot sami ngiyasidweba. I'm checking i-dispersion of i-data. Uma i-dispersion of i-data, if ama-point akho ehlangene kakhulu njengalawo engiwadwebile, la sithi i-strong. Kodwa uma ama-points akho engekho clustered kakhulu, lapho sizothi njani na i-moderate. Kodwa uma ama-points akho ethe egqagqene kakhulu njengalawo engiwabhala la, uzobe usuthi njani na i-weak. Right, so that is i-dispersion yani na i-dispersion of i-data. Now i-dispersion of i-data ke is measured ngento esibiza ngokuthi it's a correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient. Yini ke i-correlation coefficient? I-correlation coefficient isuke ikhuluma ngezinto eziwu-2 bafundi ba grade 12. Ikhuluma 1, ikhuluma nge-direction. Bese ikhuluma nge-strength. Noma nje ungathi ikhuluma nge-strength bese ikhuluma ngani na nge-direction. I-correlation le ikhuluma nje ngalezo zinto zo-2. Mhlambe ke uma uzobheka kulezi zinto engikhulume ngazo ukuthi uma njalo ukhuluma ngama-variables awu-2 ngeke ungahlale ungayitholi i-correlation coefficient noma i-relationship between loma variables lawo mawu-2 ngoba i-relationship yakho kungenzeka i-relationship yakho ngithathe lelo khuzana la kade ngichaza khona, kungenzeka i-relationship yakho ibe njani, ibe strong njengale. Kungenzeka futhi i-relation between ama-independent nama-variable, independent variable nama-dependent variable ingenzeka ibe moderate. Kungenzeka futhi i-relationship between the independent and the dependent ibe njani na, ibe weak. Kanti kungenzeka futhi ilokhuzi relationship between ama-independent variable nama-dependent ibe njani na, kube yi-zero relation, zero correlation. Kusho ukuthi there is no relationship la, no relationship. No relationship. Kusho ukuthi kuyenzeka kwi-data between ama-variables awu-2 ingakunikezi i-direction e-correct ukuthi kahle kahle iya ngakuphi. Normally ilokhuzana i-data yakho njengoba sithe sikhuluma ngama-variables awu-2 la, kuyenzeka ikuvezele mhlambe a linear relationship noma ikuvezele a quadratic relation noma an exponential noma ikuvezele ingakuvezeli i-relationship lapho ilakho nesothi njani na, it's a zero correlation noma it's a zero relationship. Kusho ukuthi ayikho ini na a-relationship. Right, now ngitheke uma sikhuluma nge-correlation sikhuluma ngani na nge-strength ne-direction. I-strength sakho usebenzisa amagama lawa. 1 usebenzisa igama lithi strong, moderate, weak. That is your strength. Angiphinde futhi, strong, moderate, weak. No perfect siyamsebenzisa. U-perfect ngomchaza. U-perfect ila khona kuvele nje ukuthi uhlobo luni na lwegraph lolu ezokutshela ukuthi nje this is a straight line. Kusho ukuthi it forms a perfect, kusho ukuthi there is a perfect relationship between the x values nani na and the y values. Kodwa ke ngizokhuluma ngayo. Kodwa uma kuthiwa ukhuluma nge-correlation coefficient uzobuka izinto eziwu-2, ubuka i-strength, ubuke ini na i-direction. Kusho ukuthi uma ukhuluma nge-strength, ngikhulume nge-strength, i-strength usuke uzokhuluma amagama awu-3. 1 usuzokhuluma ngo-strong, amandla lawa, strength, strong noma moderate noma weak, amandla lawo. Kusho ukuthi umuntu angaba strong noma angaba moderate noma angaba njani na, angaba weak. Bese ke emveni kwalokho uma usukhulume nge-strength ngithi mina it's strength and then direction. So i-direction ke uyithola kuphi ke? I-direction ile ngikhulume ngayo ekuqaleni ukuthi is it a positive noma is it a negative. Lokho uzokusubuka kakhulu ini ke na i-gradient yani na noma usuke ubuka i-trend yedatha yakho ukuthi ngabe ikuvezela i-trend positive noma ikuvezela i-trend enjani na e-negative, right? So kusho ukuthi uma kuthiwa uyakhomenta-ke umfundi wa grade 12, uma kuthiwa uyakhomenta, ukhomenta athi strong positive correlation, noma comment athini moderate strong correlation, noma athini weak positive correlation. Ufike usho i-strength bese usho i-direction, noma ngathini futhi ne-comment angathi strong negative, strong i-strength, negative i-direction, noma ngathi moderate bese thini umfundi bese thi negative, moderate negative correlation, noma thini weak negative correlation. So strength and direction, this is inina i-correlation yethu. So uyakwazi ukuthi uyibuke nje ngokuthi ubuke kwilokhuzana kwi-graph yakho, I mean kwilokhuzana yakho, kwi-scatter plot sakho, uyakwazi ukuthi ukubuke ukuthi ngabe lokhu kukunikeza a positive a strong positive correlation, noma ikunikeza moderate positive correlation, noma ikunikeza olunye uhlobo, right? Asike sibheke-ke la bafundi ba grade 12, uma kuwukuthi kuyakuhlula-ke ukuthi ukubuke ngamehlo, uyakwazi futhi ukuthi uyi-calculate inina i-correlation coefficient yakho, right? Asike sibheke lana ngabafundi ba grade 12 ukuthi uyimeasure kanjani-ke i-correlation coefficient yakho. Uma ukhuluma nge-correlation coefficient, usuke uzobheka u-R wakho, u-R omele i-correlation coefficient, u-R wakho kufanele abe greater than -1 or less than 1. Simeasure ngalokho. Kusho ukuthi uma u-R wakho elingana no-1, ila khona sithi i-relationship between the independent and the dependent, sisuke sizothi leyo relationship is a perfect correlation. Kodwa uma u-R wakho ezoba u-0.9, mhlambe kuya ku-0.9, 0.8, 0.7, 0.6, sithi lapho injani na i-strong, it's a strong correlation. Kodwa uma u-R wakho ezoba u-0.5, sebenzisa igama elithi bani, moderate correlation. Kodwa uma u-R wakho uma eke waba ngaphansi kwa 0.5, asike sithi u-0.4 kushona phansi, 0.4 kushona phansi, ila khona usuzothini wena, uzothi it is weak correlation. Noma ke u-R wakho uma elingana no-0, ila khona sithe khona there is no correlation. Kusho ukuthi la abukho ini na ubudlelwane phakathi kwani na kwama-independent variables nani na nama-dependent variables, of which abafundi ba grade 12 kufanele bayiqaphelisiseke, ngoba kuyenzeka kwi-exam kuthiwa comment about the correlation coefficient. Uma ukhomenta ke bafundi ba grade 12, ukhomenta awulokhu usho lento engisho eqaleni ukuthi lo uya-increase, lo omunye wenze njani uya-decrease, awuyisho lo nto le, but nje ukhuluma nje kuthiwa comment about the correlation coefficient. Wena kwakho nje ukuthi uma ukhomenta usebenzisa i-strength nani na ne-direction. So uma usebenzisa i-strength and direction usuke uzosho izinto eziwu-2, usuzothi i-strong positive, noma uzothi strong i-negative, noma uzothi i-perfect correlation, noma uzothi moderate positive, noma uzothi moderate weak. This is how you comment. Right, asike sibheke-ke bafundi ba-grade 12 ukuthi sibheke indaba ye-scatter plots. La kuthiwa you are given two variables. Sikhuluma ngama mathematics results of class A and class B. The data below shows marks obtained by grade 12 learners from two different classes. This is the data that was collected. It shows marks obtained by grade 12 learners from two different classes. We've got class A and then we've got class B. Class A, the scores are 16, 36, 20, 38, 40, 30, 35, 22, 40, and then 24. Kanti class B uno 45, 70, 44, 56, 60, 48, 75, 60, 63, and 35. Those are the mathematics scores of two classes. Now, if they say in the question, draw a scatter plot, how do you draw a scatter plot? Right. One, njalo modweba fanele ube nani na ne-topic. I-topic yakho la sikhuluma ngani na ngama-mathematics scores. Mathematics scores of class A and class B. So, are we doing a graph bafundi ba grade 12 engenayo inina i-topic? That's number one. Number two, then usudweba ke your x-axis. Right? Usungafake ke ama class akho ke lawa ngoba we are talking about two classes la. We are talking about class A and we are talking about class B. So la ngizofaka class A kuma x-axis. I'm putting class A ngala kuma y-axis ngizofaka class B. Right? And then then I'm plotting the point. But before I plot point, I need to make a scale. A scale sum in both x-axis na y-axis. So uma ngenza i-scale sum ngibuka i-minimum mark bese ngiyobuka i-maximum mark. So i-minimum yami isuka u-16 and then bese kuzoba i-maximum yami ngibona ngathi 40. So I think mhlambe kunga right mangahamba ngo 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, which was my final mark. Bese kuthi ngale ka class B uma ngizobhekisisa khona, the smallest value will be 45 and the highest value will be 70. So ku-right ngala mangihambisa ngo-10. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, then 80. Right? So this is my scatter plots. And then now I need to plot the point again. When class A ethole umfundo wa class A ethole 16, ka class B baso bethole bani 45. So 16 and then it goes somewhere la. So I'm putting a plot a point la paya. 36 is to 70. So 36 is somewhere 79 la paya. Another point is 20 is to 44. 20 is to 44. 44 is above kancane la. Another point elikabani elika 38 is to 56. 38 is to 56. Somewhere la. Another point elikabani elika 40 is to 60. So 40 is to 60, somewhere la. Another point, elika 30 is to 48. 30, now 30 la is to 48. So 48 somewhere la. Another point, elika 35 is to 75. 35 is to 75. 75 is very high la apha phezulu. Right? And then bese kuzoba ipointi elikabani elika 22 is to 60. 22 is to 60 somewhere la. Another point elika 40 is to 63. 40 is to 63. So going up kancane la is la. Right? The last one elika 24 is to 35. 24 is to 35 somewhere la. So this is inina scatter plot sum. Sengisidobile scatter plot. So it's a matter abafundi ba grade 12 akufanele kube into ezokuthusa le. It's a matter nje ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi wenze njani na uplot ama point akho ukufaka ama independent variables akwazi ukuthi nemapha ama independent variables imaphe okuyini na okwama dependent variables. From there usuqedile ke ukudweba enina iscatter plot sakho. Right. Now uma ngase kuthiwe equation yabuza la ithi angicomment about ilokhuzana i relationship la between class A no class B, ngingakhomenta kanjani? One, ngiqale ngibuka itrend yami yedatha la. Itrend yami yedatha la iveza ngokusobala ukuthi i-positive. It's a positive trend. Right? Ngoba ngiyayazi ukuthi gradient yami imi kanjani. Uma kuthiwa ngidweba uline of a positive gradient no line of a negative gradient, ngiyazi ukuthi ngizodweba kanjani. So ngiyazi ukuthi no, okay, okokuqala i-trend ingivezela ukuthi it's positive. Okwesibili, uma ngibheka ilokhuzana yami ama points ami noma idata yami ukuthi ngabe i-closed kangakanani ndawonye. Is it dispersion yedata ngabe i-disperse kakhulu, igqagqene kakhulu, noma ngabe it's close packed, noma ngabe is it moderate. Uma ngiyibuka le, it is moderate. It is moderate. Kukhona le part le lapha la ngathi khona sondelene kakhulu. Ongenzeka futhi ukuthi mhlambe ibe njani na, ibe strong. So uma kuthiwa ngiyakhomenta, comment about the relationship between class A and class B. So ngithi ke mangikhomenta ke ngizothi mina ngiqale ngabuka ukuthi i-trend yedatha yami ngabe i-positive noma injani na, i-negative. Sengitholile ukuthi injani na, i-positive. Right? Okwesibili sengibuka ke ama-point ami ukuthi agqagqene kangakanani. So uma ngiwabheka ukugqagqana kwawo, awagqagqene kakhulu, at the same time futhi awasondelene kakhulu. So kungenzeka ukube injani, i-moderate. So ngingasho ukuthi this is a moderate positive correlation. Now lokhu bafundi ba grade 12 kuyi assumption yento engiyibonayo. kanti ngingakwazi ukuthi i-correlation coefficient ngenze njani na ngiyi-calculate. Mhlampe i-question yesibili ibese ithi calculate the correlation coefficient. How do I calculate i-correlation coefficient? Right, sengiyahamba ke sameni bafundi ba grade 12 siye-calculator yethu. Kwi-calculator yethu siyaqala sithi mode, bese sipress number 2 for statistics, bese sizopressa number 2 lo owu-a plus bx. The reason why singampress number 1 this time ngoba number 1 mompressa uvela ithebula elilodwa, kanti la sikhuluma khona ngama variables awu2. La kufanele kuvele khona amathebula awu2 ngoba this is a bivariate data. So ngiqale maphansi ke mode number 2 stats, bese siphinda sipresse number 2. Right, la sekuvele inike manje sekuvele ama x values ami nama y values, the independent and the dependent. Ama independent ama x values ami ke, so class A wami bengithe uyi independent, so sengiyafaka ke idata yami ke yaka class A. Uma ngifaka idata yami ya class A u16 equals to 36 equals to 20 equals to 38 equals to 40 equals to 30 equals to 35 equals to 22 equals to 40 equals to, then yokugcina kube u24 equals to. Bese ngimuvisa icase yami ingene ngale kuma y axis ami, funa ngenze sure to 16 uqondene naleli point leli lokuqala, so 16 beqondene no 45, so 16 sengibhala 45 equals to 70 equals to, kusho ukuthi njengamanje sengifaka uclass B wami 70 equals to 44 equals to 56 equals to 60 equals to 48 equals to 75 equals to 60 equals to 63 equals to, and then the last one is 35 equals to. Right, sengi-insithile-ke manje idata yami, so yini ke sekufanele ngiyenze-ke manje, ngiya i-calculator yami ngibe sengiyi-cancela u-AC all cancel, bese mangiqeda ukupressa u-AC ngizobe sengipressa u-shift, bese ngipressa ubani na u1 la kuno stats khona. Right, kuzovela ke lapha from number 1 to number 6. Number 1 u type ku calculator, number 3 is sum, number 5 u regression, number 2 i data, number 4 i variance, bese kuzothi number 6 u minimum nani na no maximum. Thina ke senza i regression, so i regression yethu u number 5 laphayana, so ngizopress number 5. Now uma ngiqeda upress number 5 kunama letters avela laphana, kukhona letter A, R, Y, y cap no B, bese kuzo X cap onekapisi laphayana. Mina ngifuna i-correlation coefficient. Siyakhumbuzana ke bengithe i-correlation coefficient is measured by ubani, by u-R wethu, which is so press number 3 ka R wethu bese sithi equal to. Sithola abani ke laphana, sithola u-0.65 0.65. So uma sithola u-0.65 ngiyabhala ke phansi, R is equal to 0.652, kodwa ke ngoba ama-round off to 2 decimal places kuzoba u-0.65. Now sengiyakhumbuza ke abafundi ba grade 12 ukuthi uma kade sithe u-R wethu uma ewu1 sithe it's a perfect correlation. Sathi uma u-R wethu 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, that is strong. Kodwa uma u-R wakho waba less than 0.7, we can claim ukuthi leyo it is a moderate correlation. So njengoba ku-0.65 we can say lo 0.65 wethu positive. Into yokuqala leyo osinikeza i-direction. Kusho ukuthi uma ngikhomenta ngizothi it's positive because i-answer ngitholile positive bese ngikhipha inina bengisasho i-strength i-direction. So i-strength ke sinjani ke sona? I-strength isinjani? Si-moderate. Kusho ukuthi uma sengibhala phansi ngizothini? Moderate. Ngoba njalo ngaso sonke isikhathi ngiqala nge-strength bese ngikhipha i-direction. Moderate positive correlation. So ilokho ke bafundi ba grade 12 okufanele ukwenze kwi-exam ngomsombuluko. Ngoba i-statistics isobe sikhona ngomsombuluko nje u-question 1 wakho uzobe unani na uzobe une-statistics. Right, asikedluleke lapho bafundi ba grade 12. So sesiyakwazi ukuthi sibheke i-relationship between inina ama variables ethu awu-2. La khona kuyi-independent nani na ne-dependent variable. Number 2 okufanele ukwazi. Kufanele ukwazi ukudweba noma uplotter a line of best fits. Noma mongafuni ukuthi it's a line of best fits ungayibiza ngokuthi it's a regression line. It's a regression line. Now, we calculate kanjani ke noma we plotter kanjani line of best fits noma lo line esubiza ngokuthi it's a regression line. Now, zimbili indlela ongayisebenzisa yokuthi uplotte i-line of regression. Indlela yokuqala yokuthi uthole i-mean point. Masikhuluma nge-mean point lapha kwi-calculator yakho so uzothola i-coordinates. I-coordinates lakho, this is your mean point, u-x cap no y cap. This is your mean point. Once wathola i-mean point, meaning i-graph uline wakho uzonqamula ngqo kwini na kwi-mean point yakho lo osuke usuyitholile ukuthi lelo point likuphi nendawo. That's number 1. Number 2, uma kuwukuthi awufuna ukusebenzisa indaba ye-mean point, enye into ongayenza yokuthi udwebe i-line of best fits ukuthi uthathe irula lakho udwebe uline wenze sure ukuthi ama-points akho they are even ngenhla nangezansi. Uma kungenzeka ke angabi even ngqo mhlambe ngenzeka la amanye mhlambe abo 5 amanye ngezansi abo 4 noma amanye abo 3 mhlambe ngezansi kube khona anjani na awu 2. Mhlambe asike senze isibonelo. Uma kuthiwa la angidwebe i-line of best fits kulokhuzana kule scatter plot ekade ngisiplotter ngidweba kanjani ke i-line of best fits. So ngithatha irula lami bese ngidweba uline ngenze sure ukuthi ama-point ami angenhla nangezansi ayabalansa, right? So 1 2 3 4 ngala 1 2 3 4, right? So uline wami ungahamba, right? Nanku line of best fits wami. Thatha nje irula. Kuyenzeka ke lo line leyo osuke udwebile ungenzeka uwathinte ama-point noma kwesinye isikhathi ungathinta ama-point. Kodwa inhloso yakho hayi ukuthi ukuthinta ama-point. Inhloso yakho ukuthi udwebe uline ozoba even, ozoba nama-point a-even ngenhla nakuphi na nangezansi. Ama-point oyithintekela wona ke makufanele enze njani na ayithintekele wona. Right, this is how you draw ilokhuzana i-line of best fits noma i-line of regression. Angiphinde noma ngithe okulula ukuthi uvele ucalculate ini na i-mean point usebenzise ini na i-calculator. Right, okulandelayo abangakubuza kwi-exam futhi ukuthi uthole i-equation yalo line ke lo we-line of best fit. Uthola kanjani ke i-equation of line of best fit? Asibuyele kwi-calculator yethu ke. Ngithi ke mina kwi-statistics bafundi ba grade 12 awuyicishi i-calculator. So la sithe sine line of best fits noma sine equation of at least the square regression. Bayibiza kanjalo basithi equation of at least the square regression. Now lo equation ke ithini ke ithi y cap is equal to a plus bx. That's the equation. Yes, so this is the equation yanena of at least the square regression. Now kusitshela ukuthini ke lokhu bafunde ba grade 12 kusitshela ukuthi la sinama variables awu2 ekufuna siwathole. Kufanele sithole i-variable u-a, kusho ukuthi kufanele ngithole u-a ukuthi ubani bese ngithole ukuthi u-b ubani, then bese ngiyasubstitute ngizobe sengiyitholile ini na i-equation of at least the square regression. Right, so i-calculator yami ke angibaze ngize ngiyicime mina. So njengoba ngayicima nge-calculator kwenza izinto zibe lula kakhulu ngoba into engizoyenza ngizovele ngithi AC bese ngithi shift ngithi 1 ngibuyele back kwilokhuzana yami la khona ngino type no sum no regression no data no variance no minimum no banana no maximum. So kuzokwenza ukuthi izinto zami zibe lula ke la ngoba into engizoyenza manje ngiya straight to number 5 u-regression wami. Uma ngifika number 5 kuzobe sekuvela ama letters ami u-A no B la bengibafunayo. Asike siqale ngo-A, I press number 1 then u-A wami ngimthola ewu-28,15. This is u-A. Uma ngifuna u-B i-calculator yami ngiyayicima all cancel then ngithi shift 1 bese ngibuyela back to number 5 u-regression bese ngiyawubi lapha unumber bani unumber 2, so I'll press number 2 bese ngithi equal to ngithola u-b ewu-0,9119. So if I round off that one kuzoba u-0,91. Right, so u-b wami ke loyo kusho ukuthini ke lokho ke kusho ukuthi therefore i-equation yami izothi y cap is equal to 28,15 plus 0,91x. That's the equation of the at least square regression. So ile mbuzo ke bafundi ba grade 12 le ekufanele wenze njani that you are expected ukuthi uyi-answerishe kweni na kwi-exam yakho. Right, so kulindelekile ukuthi umfundi wa grade 12 akwazi ukuphendula imibuzo efana nale. Right, asike dluleke sibuke amanye ama examples bafundi ba grade 12. Lana i-example yethu kuthiwa lana a group of students attended a course of statistics on a Saturday over a period of 10 months. The number of Saturday on which the students were absent was recorded against the final mark. So we have a final mark, bese siba the number of students, the number of Saturdays absent. Kushusene insuku la khona ngomgqibelo abafundi ababengafikanga ngaso. The information is shown in the table. So asike sibhaleke i-information yethu kule table lethu. So we have a number of Saturday, bese sizoba ne final mark. This final mark is in a percentage. So now we've got 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 6, 7. Bese soba no 96, 91, 78, 83, 75, 63, 70, 68, bese soba nobani na no 56. So this is ithebula that eliveza ilokhuzana ama results noma eliveza ama record ukuthi abafundi ababelove ngo Saturday kukhona uSaturday la khona engalovanga umuntu khona. This is 0, a number of Saturday la i-final mark is 96 bese kuba ama absentees number of Saturday absent la uyedwa, so kwaba u91. So siyabona ukuthi la kahle kahle kukhona into evelayo uma ama number of Saturdays eba increase kanjalo ne final mark yethu yenze njani na iya decrease number njengala mozobuka nje uSaturday la number of absentees in le Saturday le 7 and then most comparison la we have ubani na u56 la ila khona abafundi ba grade 12 engathiwa nje mhlambe i exam awuku predict ukuthi uma ngase kuthiwa i number of Saturdays absent mhlambe u13 predict ke wena i final mark. So uma u13 uma predict marks mina I will say I'll give that one mhlambe ubani na u10 ukuthi ngenzeka lo mfundi lo wenza ngane na sorry final mark yaba ubani na u10 ngenxa ukuthi asemaningi kakhulu ama Saturdays anjani na aloviwe. Kodwa uma ubheka uma ama Saturdays kungalovanga umuntu, that's why we have u0 nobani na no 96, which makes inina sense kulento engisho. Right, number 2 la ungathiwa equation yesibili angisoqala ngithe ithe ene predictor ukuthi if abafundi abawu19 sorry i number of Saturday absent was 13, so bese kuthiwa predictor ke wena inina i final mark sathi singaba ubani na kungaba u10. So kungenzeka ke enye into ke abafundi ba grade 12 umbuzo ongabuzwa la ongathiwa calculator i correlation coefficient yakho musi calculate i correlation coefficient. Okwesibili kuthiwa ene calculator the square regression the equation of at least the square regression line. Kuthiwa comment about the correlation coefficient. Ilo mbuzo nje bafundi ba grade 12 that you need to expect ngomsombuluko on your trial examination. Siyabonga kakhulu we uGo Digital SA nakwithala ngosipha i platform efana nalena siphinde sihlangane futhi ngo lesithathu olandelayo. Siyabonga.
Ningakhohlwa ukuthi nisengathokozela ezinye izifundo eziyisithupha kanye nezengeziwe i-learner wellness, i-career guidance kanye ne-advanced program. Hlanganyela nathi kwizifundo ezi-online ku-068 151 1072 noma ku-godg@godigitalsa.today. Siyabonga.